What's going on with y'all? This was the craziest trade, and the reason it was crazy because the trade played out perfectly, but it took forever. I did not take this on the all the accounts. I took this on the new Top Step account. I just literally started today. So we're up 1,200 on the account. I'll show a screenshot or something like that, or if I didn't show the video. But either way it goes, today that I don't even care about the trade because it was late in the day. I didn't take it all across accounts just to have that safety risk, and I just thought it would be smart because it was late in the day. This whoever would tell you this delivery of this day was a wild. This was wild. Now, as I talked about in videos before, just because it's a bad delivery or some weird delivery does not mean we don't need to make be profitable or blow up account. This is where you stay solid, stay disciplined. But this discipline was unreal. I start trading at 10:30. Right, so 10:30. Put this in your chart. I start trading 10:30. Miss me all this BS. Look at it. It's just this is trash. This would not be trash to me. This is trash to me. 10:30 comes in. I start trading 10:30 to bypass all this BS. All right, I talk about it in so many videos. I'm trying to get through this fast. Oh my gosh! So the way that I trade is we usually majority of times, 99% of the time in the market, we accumulate, manipulate. Right, that's the manipulation leg right there, and then we get in somewhere up in here, and I target this liquidity. Right, I kid you not. I was waiting. This was the only. I mean, this was decent, but usually we'll pull back even further. All right, we'll pull back even a little bit further. So this is the only trade that I saw because I'm looking at the range. If I had got in right here, I'm looking at the range because again, you don't know if it's gonna go up higher. So this would be my target. That's just like a flat out 1-to-1 or like I don't know what this is. Right? It's not. I don't like this RR. So I don't usually take those. These are like B pluses. Not because I don't like the manipulation. It's more like we just usually I want the manipulation to have a little further down into this area to give me more range to work with. Right? So no problem. Right? That's what I was like, okay, cool. I'm going to wait for this high to be taken. Then we got another setup. We kept on pressing up higher. We see these lows right here. Again, what am I expecting? I'm expecting this. I'm expecting this. I sent out a Discord and everything. I'm expecting this. Right? Boom. Right? That manipulation. Right? Then we go back up. Nope. Don't get it. Okay, cool. It's all good. We'll take these highs up. I'm like, dang, okay, cool. Maybe I get set up right here. All right. I see us put a low in. Bet. We put a low in, y'all. I'm looking for the manipulation. What does that mean? I'm looking for this. This is all. It's literally this simple. Do this. That one more stab down, then go back up, right? Because my RR is trash in my opinion. If I take this, right, that's trash to me. That don't make any sense. I needed to come down here to make it more sense. Put a stop loss there. You see how they just, what I'm saying? That makes a little more sense, right? Did not get that either. You can literally see me. I mean, in real time, I'm literally marking these order blocks. So I'm looking for any reason for us to pull back. We got 5-minute order block. We got 3-minute order block right here. We got 15-minute consequent encouragement of the wick. We got 15-minute order block. This wasn't. Let me back up. This wasn't even formed at this time. This was like when we was right here. I think right here. That's when this actually got formed. So don't put too much on this 15-minute order block. Tapping back into the 15-minute order block. Also, this wasn't even. It didn't even manipulate either. So I didn't like it. Anyway, it goes. So and it wasn't enough range for this liquidity. Right. We need to move away from here. Going 12 o'clock, right? I'm still in the charts. I usually took a trade by now. Still in the charts. We put in this low right here. I'm like, bet. We finna manipulate that and then keep these highs in. We take those highs. I'm like, bet. I'm literally saying this every time. Bet. We put these lows in. What we're gonna do? I'm looking for manipulation. Come back down. I'm gonna give an entry here. We press back up again. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. I have never seen a day where we just keep on pressing up high. Look at this trend line. Oh my gosh. If you was a trend line trade today, we just trending lining it today. And I'm not going. I'm like, no way I'm buying this without disrupting this trend line, right? Finally, we come up. This is 1 o'clock, y'all. This is PM session. This is PM session. Come up, right? This is that. Y'all see when this look like this? Accumulation. I said, okay. We then come up. This should not hold. Boom. We take out these people. Finally, we have something look like this. Literally, we came back. I'm looking at this, and this is what this is this timing your smart money buy. So there's your smart money buy, low risk buy right there. Then getting in at this fair value gap, making this your breaker, and I got in literally on the top step account like right there, and I put my stop loss right here, and I was just aiming up higher, and I was quite literally doing this because I can't stand deviation. Oh my gosh, y'all, this was talk about patience. You can't make this up. This is what I did. I promise you, this is literally. That's why I didn't only because today was just so weird, and I was like, this is the what I'd be looking for, and I guess I got in. I was like, literally, because I literally was like this. I said, I can't do that. That does not make any sense for my RR. I said, the only way this makes sense is if I hold it to here. So I held it to here at the what's it called, at the standard deviation right there. And that's all I did. That was it. So I was able to bypass. I didn't take. Oh, I guess it ain't matter now. I didn't take none of this. Literally the one trade at the 130. I didn't even like the time it happened, right? And this is what I talked about in another video where I care more about the price action than the time. And I'll still take it, but I just, like in this case, I de-risked myself because I didn't take it all across my accounts. But I still took the trade because even though it's not inside I would love this trade happening in the 150 macro. This was right after 130 open, so I saw us manipulate 130, and then I was like, okay, this is valid to at least take this. And again, I didn't take them across accounts because I mean today was just weird, man. This is just weird. So I just wanted to be able to be prepped where tomorrow, if price action wants to act a little bit more normal, I can go ahead and foresee myself maybe passing that count, getting close to it, if anything. I think because I made 1,200, can make 1,500. I got to do the math on that. I might have to take 3 days on this account, but either way it goes, it's progress in the right direction. But yeah, this was. Y'all, this is not this now. Again, these days I talk about this is not normal. Don't have FOMO or anything like that. These days are normal. I just felt confident that I'm looking for myself. I know what I'm doing, and just having crazy discipline because I saw these fake outs and I'm like, no way. I'm talking to myself, I'm like, no way I'm taking this. There's no way. Like, it has to be a deeper pull. Y'all see the difference? This deeper pullback. Then because what happens is it gives me like more room for this to work. Like this, in my opinion, if you take this or you take this after we take this high, I'm scared. I don't know what we do, right? This and also it's not even enough for me to break even because technically it can do this and go back up, but I don't want to be. You see what I'm saying? Like I want to see manipulation, and I avoid that. That's why I call these like B plus trades, and these are more like a plus trade. It's just the day of the delivery and all that stuff that's happening. So, and that's at least stack high. So I was pretty confident we was gonna get this, but it was late in the day. I usually don't trade this late. Usually it's between like. It's not this late. It's not. This is late. So, W on discipline. W on that. Like I said, I'll take it. And tomorrow maybe we can have them all across the accounts and all the good stuff. If we see some, see something that it's worth taking or we're taking across all the accounts. So, that's it. I got nothing too much. Appreciate everybody joining this question. Appreciate everybody asking questions. Like I said, I'll feel free to answer them. And yeah. This is a long day, so I'm finna go to the gym or something, man. This is long, so y'all have a good day. And I hope y'all got some value out of this and being patient. It pays. It's just, oh my gosh. All right, and also looking forward. We're not gonna always have days like this. I just gotta remind people that, yeah. All right, see y'all next one.